Hi, and welcome to another edition of Scotty's Crunchy Critiques. Today we have two things from Dairy Queen. We have the Oreo Dirt Pie Blizzard, and I believe this is called the Passion Punch Twisty Misty Slush. So, I don't know if these are available nationally. I know that our local Dairy Queen as far and a few other places, they participate in like you know as a test market for certain products. Like the Parmesan garlic chicken strips that I reviewed earlier. Um, uh, yeah, those are only available in select markets. If they are things like maybe this and the Passion Punch Twisty Misty things that aren't on their website yet. If they do well locally and in all these different markets, they then expand to a national thing so everybody can get it. So yeah, a lot of pressure on these reviews. So so we start with the Oreo Dirt Cup Blizzard, which I believe has Oreos and gummy worms. So I'm a big fan of the Dirt Cup. Um, Typically, you can get it at Zestos. This is the kind of the Dairy Queen version of that. So, mmm, tastes as good as always. The thing about Oreo dirt pies or dirt cups, um, and one way that you can get it wrong with them is sometimes the gummy worms can be a little tough, a little too gummy, so to speak. These gummy worms are just right. Gonna give that an 8.3. It's really good. It's really good. Um, the I mean, there's not much you can do to improve this. Um, Maybe mint. Maybe throw some like a mint. A mint component. So that like there's like a because in dirt there's grass. That could be the mint part. Then underneath grass is obviously dirt, which is you know your Oreos, your chocolate ice cream, and then you know uh, the gummy worms, obviously. Very good, very good. Now for the Twisty Misty. Whoa. First of all, can we just take a moment to admire the coloration and the mixing here? Obviously, you can see the pink, then the blue. I believe there's a little bit of blue raspberry, a little bit of raspberry in here. Um, Maybe blueberry, maybe. Um, you know, I love one thing that Dairy Queen does right is these. I mean, they do a lot of things right, but this is one of the things that they get really well is their Twisty Misties. I think they had one where it was like a lemonade. It's like a tropical lemonade one, like last year where it was like green and yellow, maybe green and blue, and that was incredible. Um, yeah, if anything, this looks really pretty. It tastes really good. That gets an 8.2 from me. Thanks for watching, and keep trying new things.